Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. As you guys know, we have a Momentum 399 and that is the one with the side patio. We absolutely love our side patios. So we're really interested in checking out the new Alliance Paradigm 388 SP, which is the side patio model. So let's check that out today. All right, before we jump into this video, we want to take a minute to talk about our mattress from rvmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. All right, so our mattress, you guys have heard us talk about this before. We absolutely love it. There's a link in the description that is rvmattress.com/strange.
Which is wonderful. You can pick, I think they have 4 different types of mattresses, a bunch of different firmness options, all your different sizes and shapes, and, you know, all of those things. It's a wonderful company. They're right here in the United States.
Yep, they're actually out of Phoenix, Arizona, but it's free shipping for you anywhere in the United States.
And they have a 120-night guarantee, so that if you do not absolutely love your mattress, you can send it back to them or call them and let them know that you're not happy, and they'll tell you what to do with it.
We got the Aurora Luxe, and let me tell you, it's so luxurious. It's so nice. We absolutely love this, and we have the medium firmness because she likes very soft. She wants to sleep in the cloud. I need a little bit firmer for my back since I've had some back problems in the past. So we settled on medium. Works perfect.
It does work perfect for us, and then we also comboed that with our adjustable platform. Because they do not just have mattresses.
That's right.
They also have platforms and frames and pillows and blankets and, you know, all of the things that go along with bedding.
Follow the link, rvmattress.com/strange. We're in the Alliance with the side patio, the new Paradigm.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
The 388.
Here it is. 388 SP. It is 41 feet long.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's perfect. Like, I think it's a great length. And it's got Starlink prep already. Look, that is awesome.
Alright, so I was skeptical about this island from the videos because if someone's sitting at the end, you're not going to be able to get through.
Yeah.
By having it like this, it actually makes sense.
Yes. I think it turns. Yes. So it turns into a desk.
Right. That's what I'm saying. So if someone's sitting out this way, it's going to be hard to get through. But I really like this. And it's got my side patio.
It's got the side patio. Oh, hold on. Look at all the storage.
That heavy door. Feels like you're opening a safe. It's all aluminum.
I really like this.
This pulls out too, so you have hidden storage.
So, like, in terms of like watching TV,
Oh, it says look inside when you hook up on it.
So we could still talk even though we're sitting on the 2 ends. And great size TV. It's really light and airy, isn't it? Okay, and a drop down TV for the outside? Come on.
Elevator. It's a reverse elevator. I like the thing. I don't want to go near it now. I'm going to hang with it. You have to take it all the way in?
Yeah, I want to see it like open.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, this is the bug out.
Whoa.
If you slide out.
That is incredible.
It's filter on this side.
Is it? Oh, nice. So it's reflective.
And
And this, obviously the yeah. But got a little fridge out here.
I'm gonna push the button.
Yeah, that's pretty freaking sweet. And this is an electronic patio door. Yeah. Alright.
I like this door.
Yeah, let's go see the bathroom.
Open it back up.
The nose and stuff. Yeah, I guess so.
You're putting the lock in place and
Take my money. Be serious, just take my money. What about pantry?
it's more than what we have.
Mm-hmm. It's deep. Find anything else you like?
I like the door. I didn't think I would.
I like the openness, like the window right here, cooking.
Yeah, and it actually opens.
Yeah. Gracious. A lot of cabinetry. What about the bottom one? Use this. All right.
A little breaker box.
Yeah, I know where to get to the panel. Good gracious.
So this one feeds through to the pantry.
Yeah. I mean, you can put a lot of towels in there, but you're not going to be able to grab them if they fall to the back.
Yeah, it's a pull-out drawer.
They slide to the back, and that's it.
So we need a pull-out drawer.
What about in the shower? Lots of room.
Oh,
Oh, look.
I think that is.
Metal sink. Imagine that.
Got a bigger drain.
Oh, yeah. It's got shelves on both corners.
A little bit smaller than ours.
Yeah. It's because they put that in.
Yeah, so I mean, it's not even as wide as ours because it's got this extra cabinet. So
Yeah.
so it is a little
It's still
tight.
doable.
So well, you try. Elbows in.
It's actually sunk down in the floor more, so you get more headroom. It's pretty neat.
All right, so this lifts up instead of sliding out.
Yeah.
So I don't like that as much because you can't put stuff on top.
Lots of storage under the bed. Look at that closet though. You got drawers inside the closet? Washer and dryer.
Yep.
So you got
So you got
drawers
those
here,
dressers.
drawers there.
Yeah.
And this.
And then it hangs
This little corner storage that they use instead of wasting it.
for broom vacuum.
No, it's got shelves.
Oh. Cool.
Queen bed. And you get more walking room in here.
And bigger end table.
What do you think? I think they thought of a lot of stuff with this RV design.
It's got plugs everywhere.
Isn't it? I like that. It makes it look so much cleaner just putting sidewalls on the TV.
Yes, except for I can't take the TV down.
You see the lighting around the crown molding?
Oh, yeah, I'll lighten it up at night. I like the pocket doors.
Very cool.
Very cool.
And I like that you can control everything from the outside, the awnings and the slides. All right, that does it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the Paradigm. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about it. All right, till the next strange adventure, keep making your own.